All right, I'm gonna amend this a little bit more, but first thing, I'm gonna get a good hole in it, dig with my hand and get it all nice, and because there's still roots from last season I want to kind of loosen up. So now this plant is pretty lanky. All right, so I'm gonna cut these off and then single stem it and hopefully get it up about 8-9 feet up in the air from the base of it. This is an indeterminate, and so it should put down roots all along the stem anyway, and it'll actually make it grow better. It'll be in the more deep and hopefully more damp soil during the summer. Here we go. All right, all you do is just kind of pinch off the leaves or the branch. Luckily it's early, so this won't hurt it. All right, let's see. I think I'm gonna go a little bit further actually. Let me dig a little more. All right, let's grab this, put that down. Now I'll just throw the dirt around it, pack it in. Still got a good bit above, but I didn't want to take a chance of some bug being able to cut it. This is thicker there. This one I probably didn't even have to take off, but it's better not to have leaves that close to the soil. It leads to having disease issues. In fact, I don't even like this leaf right here because it's kind of damaged, so I'll just pinch it off. I'll take a stake, put it right next to it and go up. This is my washer tub, I believe, that I got out of a washing machine. And it works really good. Grown lettuce in this and all kinds of stuff. I'll probably put a few onions around this plant because I'm going to single stem it, and there'll be plenty of room for all that. It's like 20 inches or 30 inches around, I think. So these roots don't go very deep, so it shouldn't fight for a whole lot of anything. I'm going to put white onion and red in here. It's almost like having a pizza garden. These are so little they probably won't even pop up. This will. This is way too many onions, but I can always thin them out. And a lot of these are really dry, so they probably won't even make. All right, so that's a tomato plant and onion. That also should keep some bugs at bay, possibly due to the fact that they won't be able to smell the tomato plant as much. Just sprinkling some fertilizer should help it. Update on the Cherokee Purple tomato plant. It's growing nicely. I'm going to need to start taking out these little things right here. They're called suckers, and they'll grow into a whole new plant, and we don't want that. We want it to grow straight up and produce. That way I can have a lot more room for, actually that's a sucker right there. All right, let's see if I can get this. I'll just come in here. Yeah, all right, now, just like that. There we go. Now that's cut off. That's gonna be another one. That's a sucker. All right. Trying to single stem it more. I'm gonna let this one grow for right now. But also, I have new tomato plants. I'm gonna grow these now. I'll show you on the next video how these look after I start to root them. All right, this is how it looks. The onions are growing nicely. All I need to do is keep some of this trimmed up a little higher so that they can get sunlight. But I think this is going to be awesome. and it can grow up to at least this tall, which is probably about 7 foot tall, before I have any issue. And then I need to put a bigger stake in it. I should have a lot more videos coming out soon. I'm just trying to do something out in my main garden. This is just my side garden over here that I'm trying to clean up first. But I'll have a big project to show hopefully pretty soon. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one. Bye. Thumbs up and subscribe. You know.